News that we are breaking to you. The Supreme Court has asked the Election Commission to go through the petition of suspended BSF Jawan Tej Bahadur. Remember, the former Jawan was barred from contesting election from Varanasi by the Election Commission after his nomination was rejected. The court has asked the EC to inform the court tomorrow. Remember, Tej Bahadur was Samajwadi Party's candidate from Varanasi. And this is an important decision that has come from the Supreme Court that has now asked the Election Commission of India to go through the petition of suspended BSF Jawan Tej Bahadur and reconsider its decision of banning him from contesting from this constituency. Tej Bahadur was initially supposed to be the candidate for the Samajwadi Party and contest against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Former Jawan was barred from contesting election by the Election Commission after his nomination was rejected. The court has now asked the EC to inform the court tomorrow about a review in this decision. Meenakshi is joining us with more inputs. Yes, Meenakshi, does that mean that the Supreme Court needs to take a relook at its own decision to reject the nomination of Tej Bahadur?
Well, Afrida, it certainly means that the Election Commission has to be very well prepared when the matter commences tomorrow about whichever reasons it has relied upon or the provisions of law that it has relied upon and whether it is reiterating its earlier decision. Because just a short while back, the Supreme Court has asked for the Election Commission of India to go through again the petition of Tej Bahadur, who was barred from contesting elections from Varanasi. And subsequent to that, the hearing will commence tomorrow in the top court, where the Election Commission will apprise the Supreme Court of its decisions and also the provisions of law that it has relied upon to arrive at such a decision. Whether or not the Election Commission of India is willing to relook, that we will learn more of when the matter commences tomorrow. And remember, the Supreme Court does have the powers to overrule or direct additionally the Election Commission to do whatever if it feels there is a lacuna which has been unmet by the Election Commission of India.
Right, and Varanasi goes to polls on the 19th of May, and this is an important decision that will have to be taken before that. Thanks for joining us, Meenakshi.